Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of April 16th, 2013. The charts I use come from a piece of software called Trade Navigator that makes my life so much easier. First chart we're looking at is a weekly bond market chart here, and bonds had a little inside week last week and then started up this week, which could and may still mean that they're heading up to the upper Keltner band or maybe this previous swing high up in here. That's in the 149.16 to 149.28 area. They still could be moving up there, but it's very troublesome to me that they've taken out this previous swing high just marginally, and this projected high here was 148.13. Well, they've been to 148.14, and now they seem to be backing off a little bit. That's a little concerning because they could make their way all the way back down here to the, well, that's below 140, just below 146 is where the middle moving average is. And it's possible they could even break down to the lower moving average, which is in the 144 area here. Either of those would be a little troubling because this really looked like a strong move, and I thought they were going to maybe even challenge the all-time highs, but it looks like they may be due for a little back off here unless they turn around and get excited again before the week is out. Now, moving to stocks, we've had a serious breakdown first on trouble in China, and their GDP was only 7.7%, and boy, would the U.S. love a 7.7% GDP, but that's bad news for China, so they started down, and then, of course, we had the tragedy in Boston, which just spooked the heck out of everybody. They broke down below 140 and down here to challenge the support here, but they turned back up very strongly the very next day. I really thought they were heading up here over 1600, and I still think they can. I'm not so confident that they can do it this week, but I still think that that's likely that they do that. If I'm wrong, and if they break down below this 1530 area here, they'll probably find support near the mid-Keltner channel around 1500, but that could indicate that this move is completely over and that the next swing back up here will be a failure to make new highs, and then, oh boy, see you later. If they do make new highs, I'm not sure they'll go a long ways above 1600. They could, but especially if they do, just do it immediately, because this would be a very impressive reversal in here. But I think we got to look at that 1600 level, if they get there, as potentially presenting problems that will turn them down and get them down to this mid-Keltner channel at some point anyway. But, big surprise this week, kind of spooked everybody, so it might take another day or two to get it shook out so that we really understand what they're trying to do. So that's what I've got for you today. Hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for checking in to see what we think.